another romantic baboy videos. So ito na nga mga ka-cravings, for sure magugustuhan nyo and mai-inlove kayo dito sa bagong discovery ko dito sa romantic baboy. Ang tawag dito is yung kimchi jjigae rambab version. Maliit lang siya na portion kasi maliit lang yung lagayan nila. Pero before kasi guys, ang ginagamit ko dito is yung beef soup nila, and yung side na yan, pinapang stir fry ko lang dyan yung kimchi tsaka yung scallops. So, recently, parang medyo nag-crave ako sa soup. And favorite ko yung kimchi jjigae. So, naisip ko, why not? Gawan ko siya ng version dito. In a smaller portion, syempre. So, pinaghalo-halo ko lang yung kimchi, scallops. Nilagyan ko ng tubig, nilagyan ko ng sauce, yung samjang, tsaka yung red sauce nila. And salt and pepper to taste. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng beef strips and yung pork sangyup or yung herb sangyupsal and cheese. So, guys, grabe. You should try this. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo. It's very creamy, savory, na may pagka-sourness. Sobrang satisfying talaga siya. So, your sangyupsal will never get boring again once na na-try nyo to. And mas gaganahan ka pa lalong kumain. And ang maganda pa dito, guys, is ma-adjust mo yung lasa niya the way you want it. Kung ano yung pinaka-flavor na gusto mo. Like, gusto mo mas salty and then put more salt. If gusto mo naman na mas sour, put more kimchi. And if you want it a bit creamy, put more cheese. So, ayun. So, ito guys, second batch na namin to kasi syempre medyo nabitan kami ni partner. So, nag-add lang ako ng water, add lang ng kimchi, and yung scallops. And lagyan ko lang siya ng sauce. Ito yung samjang. And yung isang color na red. Nakalimutan ko ng pangalan nito. Tapos, after that, lagyan mo lang din ng salt and pepper to taste. So, depende sa'yo. Bahala ka na kung gaano kadami yung gusto mo. And, nilagyan ko lang din siya ng beef strips para may konting meat siya. And yung pork herb sangyupsal. And cheese. Tapos, pakuluan mo lang siya naman for a couple of minutes and then you're good to go. So, kung nakikita nyo guys yung sabaw, very creamy and I can assure you masarap siya. Unless you're not really into kimchi jjigae. So, it's not for you. Pero, you should try it at least. Feeling ko magugustuhan nyo to. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo and comment down below pag na-try nyo to and let me know what you think. And follow me guys for more upcoming videos. See you guys next time. Bye!